Hello, Dushal.
Hey
Hi.
sir, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good, Dushal. So, Dushal, you are from Chandigarh, right?
Yeah,
So,
but currently staying in Delhi right now.
currently, what are you doing at Delhi? Like, is your training is going on?
I am in Akasa. I'm done almost with my training, but
Mm-hmm.
right now just waiting for releasing. So
अच्छा.
yeah,
जैसा when did you join the classes? Like, मुझे तो यार याद भी नहीं है कि मतलब हमारी classes में थे कि क्या.
actually at that point of time, maybe if you don't remember, but online I took some classes, but sir told me about these kind of things. I
Mm-hmm.
like barely know the how to crack the interview, but at that point of moment I gave my SpiceJet interview. I cracked it. I was in initial training of SpiceJet as well. After that, they were not releasing me at that point of time.
बहुत
Something
बढ़िया
was
ना, बहुत बढ़िया.
mishappening in SpiceJet. So I
Okay.
switched my company with
Mm-hmm.
Akasa. Yeah.
I want to know that when did you join the classes?
It's been before joining Akasa, I would say. So I wanted to know about the interviews, like where Akasa is taking interviews. So I just asked for the confirmation with the sir. At
Okay.
that point of time, he told me and he assisted me very well. So I got through with the interview because he told me that, yeah, you have a kind of certain experience in that. So
Mm-hmm.
you can go easily. He'll ask only if you have a stable personality and body language. So definitely, I would say 60% of interview will be held in the time you will be stepping into the aviation industry. The time you will be entering to the room, and at that time, when you're sitting, you are talking to people, they will be observing each and everything, each and every aspect of yours. After
Yeah.
that, you have a GD round. Very first round will be of GD round. They will throw any kind of question or topic. Like, for example, at the time of mine, they asked about the favorite destination where you want to travel.
Okay.
Everybody was talking about Kedarnath, Kedarnath, Kedarnath. मैंने कहा, what the fuck is going on?
Yeah, okay.
I
Well.
talked about Paris, so France.
Mhm.
They were they I don't know, only in that only group I got selected. Everybody was rejected.
So, were you to lecturate or extempore or like group discussion?
Extemporary round is not like Etihad. Etihad do take extemporary round.
Okay. So after this in the PI what kind of questions they asked you?
Nothing. They will be asking about your CV from whatever things you have mentioned in CV, and for your perspective, they will be judging you. They will be asking your perfections and your mentality, your mindset, and
Mhm.
like where you have studied. So basically, they asked about myself. What hurts you? What do you like in your life? Very basic.
Nice. Okay.
They
And
want to
Tushal,
basically check your communication skills, how
yeah,
you are
yeah,
speaking, Do you have
yeah.
an MTI, your
Mhm.
vocabulary skills? In
Mhm.
Akasa right now, it's getting very reputed company, I would say. Not like SpiceJet or, you know,
Yeah.
Star Air or something like that. You heard about that company name. They are
Mhm.
taking anyone. They just for a penny of single amount of money, they are taking
Yeah.
anyone. I would say running a
Mhm.
coaching center after aviation, that is a very normal thing. If you
Exactly.
want to earn or make money, go
Mhm.
with that. I would say, being honest. But like Franklin, you can see it's a
At
fucking
least,
waste of money.
at least we are not like charging 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees from the student.
Exactly, exactly. If you have a pocket-friendly fees, it's okay for everybody to join and to gather, to grab all those information. Even not about aviation, I'm talking even to speak, how to talk, your body language, that matters a lot. See,
Yeah.
etiquettes are something you won't able to get from school. That is
Yeah.
something outside the school you used to make, just like a body. You eat, you will look like that. Body,
Exactly.
you will never make a iron kind of body in gym.
Mhm.
Same like that.
So from when your flying will start, still any idea do you have?
Right now, they haven't revealed the date, but it's
Mhm.
certain. I don't
Very,
know.
okay, maybe like
Well, it's going good. It's a nice experience. Companies okay.
So how's the training and all like, and
Everything is fine, bro.
how's the exams?
Exams, you have to study. If you won't study, you'll get fucked up.
Okay, okay. So how like, and how much was the passing marks out of 100?
80. 80.
80 marks, likes. Yeah.
But in 80 as well, you have to study a lot. There is certain, in safety, SEP, too much of syllabus.
Mm-hmm.
We used to not sleep for nights at that point of time because that too much of syllabus is there. You have only 15 or 20 days of module. In that module, you have to study a lot. You have to grab all those information, even aircraft visit, drills,
Mm-hmm.
so much of things. My advice is what I am thinking, my view of points.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you won't like that kind of advice. Maybe I won't like that kind of advice you will be giving to me. It's all about the experience you're embracing in your life. I would, on being honest, bluntly, I'm saying it. So
Yeah.
nobody can make your life easy. It's only you who can make your life easy. To work hard on yourself, to work hard on your communication skills if you want to be in aviation. If you want to be sustainably, work in aviation, you have to be very much particular about your words, what you are speaking. First
Yes.
of all, if you are not patiently, polite enough, you won't able to sustain for long in aviation. You'll get pissed off. They will be kicking you out.
लगता है मतलब कोचिंग वोचिंग की फील्ड में उतरने वाले लग रहा है मेरे को भाई.
Can't you grab my lines? What I'm using in front of you right now?
मैं सब समझ गया हूँ.
It's all about the kind of experience initially you're taking, and if on a serious note you are into aviation, you will be getting so much of experience.
Yeah.
There are certain kind of people over here, different mentality, different mindset, and you will be getting very easily in that.
Okay, so like okay, so I think like we should like shed this live video.
Yeah,
क्योंकि अभी बहुत टाइम हो गया, 11:30 बज गए.
me too. I was just about to sleep. I
अरे
saw
लाइक
you,
वंस
bro.
टाइम आई थिंक क्या कि बच्चों को यकीन नहीं होता ना यार, तो लाइव आके मतलब उनको भरोसा
भैया
दिलाया
इतना
जाए.
कटा भी तो लोगों का बेवकूफ बन जाते हैं लोग. फ्रैंकलिन जैसे बंदे हैं, ये काटेंगे तुम्हारा, बोलेंगे तुम्हें एविएशन में देंगे असिस्टेंस, देंगे तुम्हें हॉस्पिटैलिटी, छोड़ो तुम्हें भाई स्वीपर बना देंगे.
पूरा यार है, कुछ नहीं है यार, पूरा लूटपाट मची है मार्केट में, कुछ नहीं है.
उस चक्कर में औरों की भी रेपुटेशन खराब हो गई है.
हमारा
तो भाई होता है कि आपको पहले तो शॉर्टलिस्ट करवाना पड़ेगा अपने आपको.